Listen, I don't even want to call this fast fashion no more because this is nice. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by BeautyForeverHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now, before we get into this install, just know I did this. It's so cute, but we're gonna do it together. So before I get into this wig install, the flat twist, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from BeautyForeverHair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is their brand new 7x5 Yaki straight drawstring wig. If you watched the unboxing, I showed you guys how to use the drawstring. This locks it in place, but I'm going to unlock that right now so I can make sure it's going to fit on my head. I do have the adjustable straps on the back of my wig. I'm just going to put it on the first hook, and we're going to see if it can fit pretty comfortable. Hopefully I don't embarrass myself and, you know, have to loosen that, but you know, my head is big, so I'm gonna leave the band. It feels a little loose. This is insanity. I'm gonna tighten it down anyway in hopes that, you know, it'll fit pretty comfortable. I'm pretty sure this is the 150. However, they also have a 180 on their website. My exact specs though will be down below in my description box, but this is given thickness for 150. So let us go ahead and get this wig ready to install. First, I'm gonna spray her down because I'm not washing her. Judge your Grammy. I use my wig perfume to do that. If I keep this install real simple, I could be out the door in under 5 minutes. It's a Yaki straight, okay? Come on. But I may do a little style in my front, so we'll see. I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Creamy Bronze to tint around the edges of my lace. So I'm gonna try to wear this unit glueless. Keyword is try, okay? I want this to be as melted as possible, but y'all know sometimes in order to get that seamless melt, you gotta spray it down. It needs that extra moisture. As always, it is lace, it is not skin, so you will still see it eventually, but nobody should be off of my face. Ooh, that went over real nice. Okay. That was an evil laugh. I mean, I know you see this, but you know, we're gonna get that together. But do y'all see how this is laying on my head? That's pretty flat already. I'm real shiny today. Hold up. All right. There we go. There we go. Where do I want my forehead to be today? I could go Planet of the Apes. I could do that. Or I can go Tyra Banks. Maybe. Or I can go in between the two. That could work. Let's get the hairline together. Beauty Forever. That's a nice density. Let me clip it up. Did they send me a brush? I don't think they did. Let me just open what I already have. Let me see how I'm gonna do this hairline. I don't think there's baby hairs on here. I mean, they're little short pieces. I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse around my hairline to kind of mold that and shape it into the look that I want. So I may need to pluck a little bit out of my hairline. I need it to look a certain way on my hairline. It can't be blocky. Let me just pull some of this out right here. Well, that comes out pretty easy. Pull a little bit more right here. I think that works. I want to make sure that this is not going to move because I like where this is sitting, but I don't want to spray it all the way around. I'm going to spray it right here in the middle using my Esha Ultimate Hold Spray. Right there. Let me blow dry it on cool to dry that down. Before I style my hair, I need to blow dry it straight. So I'm going to use my blow dryer brush on high and sleek the hair out. I need to find where I want the parting space right there. Oh, that was easy. And then right here, comb it to the back. Ooh. Let me tighten down my wig using my drawstring. Tuck the excess under the back of the cap. Put my band right here. And then we're gonna wrap that down. Let's do the stylings. I'm just gonna do some flat twists. Nothing crazy. I haven't done this in so long. I'm gonna wet this. Comb that up, comb it down. So one, make sure my parting is right. And I'm gonna do my twists just like I used to do them in high school and college. I don't use the comb, I use my wrist action. I'm gonna use my Eagle Styler gel, lap it on the hair, rub that in, pushing them like this. Let me just use my finger. Let me stop trying to be brand new. Comb it out. So take it from the front and I'm just twisting it back. And as I'm twisting, I'm grabbing hair. Okay. twist and twist and twist. And make sure it's down as flat as I want it. And then secure it with my rubber band. Tighten it. There we go. I may have to do 5. That may be what I'm doing. I'm gonna put some water right here just to make sure this is gonna lay down. Get some more gel, put it on there. And I'm twisting this one towards the center. Flat twisting it down. There we go. Now I need to do the 3 in the middle. So one is gonna be here, and then another one is going to be here. Is that right? And I do want 2 bangs in the front. So I'm gonna grab it from a piece right here, and then I'm gonna pin that down, and then I'm gonna grab a piece from over here, and right there. Let me just wet this one up. Get my gel in the middle. Let's clip these back as well. I'm gonna twist the center one that way as well. Keep on twisting, keep on twisting. Put the rubber band on there. Sometimes people just do it where they twist them all the same direction. I like my ends to be up towards the center though, so that's why I do it like this. This is also getting twisted towards the center. And start twisting. Twist those together. I'm gonna pull some hair from right here towards the back. Make sure I get enough for my ponytail. I need it to be sitting up here because it has to flow down like that. So that's why I'm not grabbing this. I'm gonna put that up into a ponytail. Take a piece from the back and you just wrap it around the base. Obviously, when I used to do this style, I did it with my natural hair because I actually had hair, or I would do it with a fake weave ponytail. I would be wrapping a ponytail around my actual hair. Taking a bobby pin, I'm just gonna bobby pin that end down. I do gotta put some layers in here. So let me comb all the hair down. Here we go. I learned from YouTube University that in order to do your layers, just move really fast down the hair and open and close the scissors like this. Start the layer about a little bit after my chin. Like that. And then just pick up where you left off. So about here. Okay, see, I have a little bit left right here. I'm gonna take that and finish that up. Oop. Like that. Pick it up about here. Gotta cut my little bang things in the front and do a little bump towards the end. Just like that, little bump. Make sure I also get my ponytail and get the bang. I'm gonna use my Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray just to make sure my ponytail is gonna sit how I want it to sit. Gotta make sure my lift is right. Now for my parting space, I'm gonna use a little bit of my pressed powder. I'm gonna use that between the parting spaces, just kind of clean it up. Just a touch of powder. I'm sitting here like, why can't I see? Because my hair's in my face. Let's take off the band to make sure, ooh, ow. Just gotta make sure my front is how I need it to be. I wanna do a little bit of hair, nothing crazy. I just need a little wispy look. Just a smidge. Get a little gel and just push that back like that. Uh-oh, hold up, I got a bump back here, let me fix that. There we go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and then we will be done with this look. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look. Let me move my tendrils out the way. I must say, I absolutely did that. This hair is gorgeous. I don't even want to call this fast fashion no more because this is nice. It's giving quality. I did not wash the hair as you guys saw, but make sure when you wash your wig, you condition the wig as well. Don't just shampoo it, make sure you condition it, okay? Blow dry it, add your serums, all that kind of stuff. Whatever you would do to your natural hair, do to your wigs. Just not as much product, okay? Because you don't want to have to wash your wig every single time that you wear it. That can also speed up the shedding process. So make sure you are practicing low manipulation when it comes to your wigs. Get your dry shampoo, get your hair perfume, marry that all together. Freshen the wig up a couple times times before you know, decide to wash her again. But yeah, this is how we're looking, y'all. I have no complaints about this wig whatsoever. Y'all see how my parting face is looking? I did go back in and shorten these up a little bit more just because I didn't want them to be so heavy and thick on my sides. And I did use the excess from my foundation brush to tap some around my hairline just to melt that lace in, okay? We're not gonna use contour because we don't want that orange ring around the forehead. It's getting cool outside, so my winter color is coming in. I don't need the contour all the time. This lace was gonna melt with the foundation, so that's what I use. This wig is $143, so the 180 would be 162. Run. Y'all, this looks good. I can't, and it looks pretty symmetrical. Girl, I'm good. Mine is 20 inches, but they also sent me a 24 inch. I don't think I need it, so should I give it away? But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Beauty Forever Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.